Welcome to the Nara folding base assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you will find the spider, the booker rod, the column and the base. You will need a socket drill, a 17mm spanner and thread lock. Firstly, remove the 4 washers and 2 nuts from the ends of the booker rod, but leave 1 nut in place. Place 2 washers back on the end with the nut and apply thread lock. Position the folding mechanism to the side, place the booker rod through and secure with a nut on the end. Next, put the folding mechanism upright and use your fingers and the spanner to tighten the top nut. Grab the column, identify the end with the single tab and then place it over the booker rod. Find the tab on the base and line it up with the tabs on the column. Lastly, place the remaining washer and nut on the end, apply thread lock and use the socket drill to tighten. The Nara folding base is available in a table or dry bar height and is made from aluminium powder coated in an anthracite finish. The folding mechanism is easy to use and the leg configuration allows for simple side-by-side stacking for storage, making it perfect for hospitality or function room spaces.